Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin on the Windows 10 machine. Enable Remote Desktop in Settings so the OS accepts incoming sessions. Create or confirm a user account with a strong password. This is how you log in from the iPhone. Next, find the PC's local IP address and decide if you need router port forwarding for 3389. You will do that only if you need external access. Once done, make sure Windows Firewall allows remote desktop and you have admin rights to proceed to the next step. You now secure the connection and set up the iPhone app. Install Microsoft Remote Desktop from the App Store or a trusted alternative. Add a new PC using the local IP or public IP plus forwarded port if connecting over the internet. Choose network-level authentication so credentials are validated before the desktop session starts. This reduces attack surface. Also configure display resolution and sound options in the app for usability. Finally, save the connection and test a local link before trying remote access. You're ready to connect. Open the Remote Desktop app, tap your saved PC and enter the Windows credentials. The session should appear and accept touch gestures or external keyboard input. If it fails, double-check the PC's IP, router port forwarding, Windows Firewall rules, and that NLA credentials match exactly. If you cannot forward ports or want greater security, use a VPN to join the home network first. One key troubleshooting tip: test a local connection on the same Wi-Fi to isolate router or ISP issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.